Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Edict in-ear wireless earphones. The model number is EWE02. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see what else is on the box. So if you turn it around, as you can see, these are wireless neckband earphones with Bluetooth 5.0. They have 10mm drivers, which offers engaging audio, up to 8 hours of playtime, dual pairing, so you can pair this with two devices, easy integrated controls, and these are IPX4 water and sweat resistant rated. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox these now. So you open them up, opening them from the bottom, and pull them out. So I'll just get to the earphones. Before that, let me see what else you get along with that. So there's, okay, so you get some extra, 4 extra ear tips. You get a quick start guide, and you get a micro USB charging cable, and 4 extra ear tips, which I mentioned earlier. And these are the earphones themselves. So let me just go ahead and take these out. Okay, so these are magnetic. They have magnetic backs. Okay, and on one of the sides you can see the controls are here. There's your volume up, plus and minus, and the power button, and below that is the micro USB charging slot where you need to charge them from, and that's pretty much it. So there you are. That's what you get in the box when you buy the Edict in-ear wireless earphones EWE02. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.